This is my Oreo desktop clock design, complete with a bite taken out of it. I designed this so it doesn't need a colour printer, it just prints in 3 parts and they snap together. And then I did a custom hour and minute hand. I'm printing this on my K2 Plus, but this should really print on any printer as long as you got the bed size. I used black and white filament. I did try some dark browns, but the Oreos are almost black, and with a matte filament it turned out just about the same colour. And this is the finished clock. And this is just a simple stand I designed to stand it on your desk. The assembly is fairly simple. There's just one part you have to glue. This is this white part to the top black part. Once you've glued that, you can put the clock assembly in it, or mechanism. Now, I buy these off Temu. I think they're about £8 for 10, so about 80p each. These are the clock hands. I made the hole in the centre slightly smaller because there's variance in clock mechanisms, and you'll just have to use a craft knife just to ease out the centre a little bit until they fit snugly. I'm going to be releasing this model free, and I'll put the links in the description. Once you've got the mechanism in, all you have to do is then clip the hands on. The back just lines up and slots in, and then it can go on the stand. This is a larger wall clock version. Obviously it hasn't got a stand because it just hangs on the wall. And that's it, my Oreo clock. As I say, I'll be releasing this free with the links in the comments. And if you like the video, a like and subscribe is always much appreciated, and thank you for watching.